Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time come across my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so that any day, anytime I go live or I post video, you will be the first to see. Yes, I don't come again today. Today, waiting I take come now. This girl where they call Blessing CEO. You understand me? Oh no, I know say this girl. Many women when it be say their brain the day where God creates them. This girl then they call Blessing CEO don't make many incomplete women come up for their husband house. You understand me? Because why? He say na she be relationship therapy. Yes, relationship therapy now. People when it be say when they talk to when it be say and then they suffer and when a Europe here the day. You understand me? See now, person has now, not be the one when he first do when he dey beg now so on and they see so. She don't still do another one now so. I go the platform when he put that video say he dey build new house, say he go soon become landlady for Lagos. Say he go open in January. I go see the people where they tap blessing they tap bless. I can't see and say people where they tap the blessing from Blessing CEO. Now single mothers where they don't pursue their husband come up for us for Europe here and then food there. Yes, you are tapping blessing for person where they live fake life. You understand me? That is why you go see and say you go do. You know go see your money. All your single mother money you go carry and give one central boy till they do nonsense because you dey tap blessing for where you not supposed to tap them. Yes. Most of now will be single mother for this country and single girls where they this Europe. Make una stop to they take advice for this celebrity, all this fake celebrity where they Nigeria una no go here. Yes. If una can't think about all this life una they live for this Europe, una better pass all those celebrity. Una get more privilege pass all those celebrity. All those celebrity they get money, but their life not they secure. For Nigeria, not be rich man now picking now they go put for body school. Not be body school then be listen I be the higher school. You know how many children where they name matric for body school, but una dey Europe here everything they okay. Una dey tap blessing for blessing. See where they live fake life where not get anything. Single mother where they Germany now where born 3 children better pass Blessing CEO. He make money pass Blessing CEO. But no, they go they tap blessing. You go see where Blessing CEO they advise people. You go sit down put they take advice. Bless where they live fake life. Even one house blessing not get. Yes. You go tell you say, hey man, where you go know how you go tell no more where Sabi knack. How you go tell no more where Sabi do this. You go they hear blessing. Bless where they live fake life. Bless where they live fake life. See, please, my brothers and sisters, if you want to watch how you begin they as in they talk as in begin they parabrate, you need to watch and full and know what I'm talking about. Ma let una know something. Why be say they always come out like this? They talk to una where be say na sabi talk, I not sabi talk pass. Single mother that is living in Europe here, that is better pass all these single mother, all these Blessing CEO, Bob Whiskey, all these people. Now fake life then they live. You understand me? Now fake life. Blessing CEO na never get anything. Nothing he get. He dey answer CEO. What did I go call Dangote? What did I go talk all those people who get estate, big house? What did I go call them? Bless no get 1 naira. He dey advise people. Many women don't run come off for house because they take the advice of Blessing. Blessing no get husband. How can you use your former ex-husband house to turn to your own? Because say you don't born for the man they build house now. The man now when they build house never die. The man never die. You won't claim in house. Say now you get them. They never. The man where they build house never die. He still get another wife for house. He still go adopt children. You understand me? Now you say now your house be that. You claim the house, person house. You claim them. Bless. You never claim and finish. That one not issue. The single mothers that is some single mothers will not be all that is living in Europe. They are tapping your blessing. You dey type blessing for where person they live fake life. Now if you say you dey tap fake life for your life, you dey hear me so. You no go know. You know that is why I first talk am before you will know. Before you go dey tap blessing, check am. This blessing where you dey tap, this person na 419, I on a Yahoo. Or you think say God, na God create Yahoo, or na God na him create ritualist, or na God na him create say girl wey dey for 15 years make you go marry 80 years make you for dey get money make dem buy motor for them. Tell you say na God na him create all those things. I tap your blessing, I tap your blessing. You go tap all of them. You go tap a blessing from person where go keep person. Now you go tap blessing because say the person don't go keep person, he don't buy new house. Now you dey tap blessing for them. As you just dey tap so, may be say not be your sister a key. Because I believe say if person go kill your sister or your mother, they can't pay money where you take key anybody of your relationship. You can't go use and buy Jeep or buy Mercedes. Come put on for live video. He tell you say he don't get motor now. You go still go the tap blessing for there. No worry. As you the tap blessing, your sister where they for grave go the verse for you. Because you cannot be tapping blessing for where person where kill your sister day. You are tapping blessing from there. Yeah. Tomorrow you will say, this. My brothers and sisters. Why this how they talk this video and they talk about this video? Blessing CEO is living a fake life, and you people that is living in Europe now they suffer am because now they look advice they go. You just they look advice they go. Look at all these women now where they Europe here where they do YouTube, where they do social media, all of them. Some of them never get husband, they go say they get. Some of them, their husband, every day that they knock, they do a Kogan and Jackie Chan for us. They will come and they go, hey, my husband, this, you self go believe. You go, they tap the same blessing. Tap your own blessing. Learn how to tap your own blessing and leave people own alone. So that your blessing will stay with you. If you don't tap person own, who go tap your own? And if you are tapping blessing, try to tap genuine. You dey hear me so? Blessing now they don't catch him again after he don't go live for another house again. Now he don't go live say he the builder he go enter am. But now person house not being owned. Then tell her the warner for this video so say any day where you go tap another where you go claim person property. If we catch you, we go do you something. He say no problem if they catch him there. He don't go claim again now. This one where they go claim now so. Now just picking a bomb for the man or the man never die yo. Now this kind one they born for man before you know you don't try make them kill the man. Make the man die so that you go take everything. Make God pursue all this kind of evil women out for us. Where you go build out finish that where you they build out they not day. They will just want make you die, make them carry the property. Fools! My single women more now stop. My single sisters more now stop to the hear advice for all these people. Me una the whole na husband way. More na go for the right man. All these people not get any advice where they won't give them. You hear? I come in peace. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys. Bye.